Oh my. You open it.
Come here. Come here, I'll open it.
Oh, I
First you gotta smile.
Another one.
You got one too?
Brave. You ready? Here.
We have 3 of
Okay.
these now.
Here, now you rip it. Rip it. Open it up. What is it?
Sleigh bell.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, you and me have sleigh bells.
Hold it on the top and shake it. No, the other top.
Can you hear it?
There you go.
Hey, this is Santa.
Does it say to Addie from Santa?
Hey Carson, look at me.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh,
Miles?
you girls got so much stuff.
Go. Jeez Louise.
Dad, can you go get the tie?
Chapstick.
Oh boy, I wonder what this is.
What you got there?
I hope I get.
Oh boy. Here you go, rip it.
Oh my. What are these?
That's
What
paint.
is that?
Pink snow globe. I always wanted one.
You
Mom, I
always
got another
wanted
snow globe.
That's a big one.
This snow globe.
Oh my
Carson,
Lanta.
look. Carson will break snow.
Yeah, you shouldn't let him play with that, that's for sure.
You have to be careful with it too.
Yeah, where to get it.
Who's in that snow globe, Anna?
Santa.
Oh my
Come
gosh.
here. Come
Does
here, I
it
want to
play
show you.
music?
Look at.
What?